Listen, all we want to know is, did he do it or did he not? Did he do it or did he not? Okay, so the update is that the jury had been deliberating for 14 hours today and still did not come to a final verdict for Sean Diddy Combs. Now, they have agreed on 4 of the 5 charges, but the last charge, which is the RICO charge, which you know, that's the biggest big boy charge. Baby, you charge with RICO, you get locked up for a long time. So the jury has decided that they will come back tomorrow and decide on the final fate and verdict of Sean Diddy Combs.